concussion. I'ma get something ill to every discussion. I ain't bluffing and I ain't frontin'. When it comes to CT, we ain't stuntin'. We gotta go hard, cause that's the only way we know. Mr. CT and A-Hawk at the show. Wait, they call me coach, but I ain't got no whistle. Got a microphone and I'm going so official. So we gon' do it all day. I shoot it like a missile and then aim for the head. That means I ain't aiming for your head. I'm coming for the things that make you all day. Till your bloody red, right to the heart and the soul and the core. I'ma spit this cause I don't need more. He gave me 4, he gave me 8. These and things together, I'm straight. Percussion gives me everything I need. Build the energy, let us succeed. We don't need to leave anyone to the side. Just do this with some apple pie. Humble I will be all day, every day. I can only do this one way. USA is the blood that I bleed. So, one time for Mr. CT and the Russian lady. Yeah, thank you, y'all. Coach Hawk in the building, much love to everybody who rocks with real rhymers and positive people. Not enough of that out there, so. Yeah, keep that going. Yeah, it's your boy Mr. CT. Shout out to everybody in the building. Broadway Dollar, Big Mel the Kingpin. Ah, let that beat in. One of the most acceptable. God forbid that everything I've done, I done did it for the love of who I are. I'm CT's rider, I do it for fun. I'm a representative of where I've been gone. I'm a representative of everything that plays. Hell raised this kid, this is how I live. Look at all the things I did. What I rap now, I'm survival of the fit, one of the best. And at times I rap like I'm in my own flesh. God bless me for everything I've done. Look at what I did, I done grazed through the city. I done grazed through the city, I done grazed through the city. At the same time, you didn't call him a little ditty. This boy is out of control. Call him a wide load, he can't be stopped. This boy's uncontrollable. Don't stop this boy, he will never understand his moves are so nice and clever. Freestyle from beginning to end. I'm a hustler boy, I'ma always win. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I do it for the love of who I are. I'm a representative of by far one of the craziest. And that time I ain't talking about aftermath when I say I'm the shadiest. This boy is out of that league. This boy, he's in your league. I do it for those who rap when they rap. I'm reaching my pinnacles, don't step. God bless me for everything I've done. God bless me, cause it's not fun. You dudes rap what you rap, but I'm on a paper chase, so I'ma stay on the run. Gotta get it for the love of who don't say that I'm not. I gotta get it for the love of those who rap that block. I gotta give it for those who say, by far one of those who do it for God. Do it for me, I can do it for thee. What I rap now, boy, I'm Mr. CT. Call that boy a critical thinker. God damn, I'm a critical thinker. I do it for the love of those. I do it for those who pose. I do it for those who say hip hop. Let that go.
Chicken and gravy.
Let that go. Let that go. Chicken and gravy. Yeah, you want me to do that? You really want me to do that? Hold up. Chicken and gravy, boy, so wavy. Yeah, I do it around Thanksgiving time. Chillin' with that old lady, that's my mom. But she younger than most, she drop bombs. She cracked the oven, stuffed the turkey. Let them know that it's time to eat. You call it chicken and gravy. I call it a thankful time of the year, boy, like Thanksgiving Eve. I'll be that boy tiptoeing in the kitchen. Got my finger in the cranberry sauce. Call me that food boss, cause I'm gonna eat it all and the salad won't get tossed here, oh yeah. Can't forget about everything that I had last year and the year before, so I'm so thankful. Okay, chicken and gravy. Let's take them to that let's take them to that inspired by real quick. Cause I gotta let my man give me that beat though. Cause that beat is crazy. We're gonna take them to that inspired by my classic record. You got this, man? You got this? Don't mess me up. Or it's gonna be chicken and gravy. Inspired. I'm inspired. everybody. I'm inspired by you. I'm inspired by me. I'm inspired by thee. One of the most inseparable boys of all time. This boy, he's inspired by those who spit rhymes. That boy, he's inspired by that mind that blows those minds that never thought that they could be most of the smarter ones. They call them smart dummies. You dudes are sticky and jelly like fucking gummies. I spit it for the lover who they say that they couldn't be. I'm working the city, they call me Mr. CT. The product of my own environment, I said that. You a product of your own words, bred that. We take it back to where it couldn't be. They always talk like they nice, but me, I use no pen. My words is more than just melodic. You say that you hotter than Moe's, come on, you ain't nothing but a hot topic. Go there, cop those, cop this, and cop that. Understand what I spit, this boy doesn't snap back. Only cause I've been doing that. Back in my days, he was doing these gas station hats for like $1 and no tax. You niggas is wrong. This shit that came out many years ago. Okay, it's prolonged, but I get it on with a lover. Everything you say, I'm so 95 with my shit. Look at them J's. These shits been out before half of you niggas born. But my life is what it is. My heart is already torn away from what I couldn't be. Logic to the prophet, but these niggas is cast for the really ghost. They ain't 60. More than what I said I couldn't be. I'm inspired by everything that you do. I'm Mr. CT. I'm inspired. It's my life, I done live right. I done did it to no point of no return. It's my life, you in the wrong lane, bump you in your lane. Come on man, for God's sake, stay out of my lane. This is here what I've been doing for so long. You niggas is slim to the fact, I call you Mr. Thong. I cannot play the way you wanna play. I am what you said they wasn't, I'm your sensei. They paid no attention, this boy done did it. I done kept you on high school suspension, I done read it, but I couldn't do that. My mentality working keeps going. Everything that you doing, I can keep it flowing. For rocking shows for the love of all music. For rocking shows for those who say they love music. Hip hop is inside of my blood, so I'ma do it for the days of the last. It's all love. New head, where them things constantly blaze. They must ain't read that book. We living in our last days. The Bible, the shit here's been written, but I'm the next nigga to stand next to you. God forbid. Inspired by most of who talk. Inspired by those who said that they would walk like me. Walk in my shoes and you couldn't really see. No check mark head, man, so fuck Nike. If you knew where them shits was made, you would look at the better profit for the logic and know that we all slaves. I'm a real nigga, you a real nigga, but all of my niggas only do it for real niggas. Hip hop is only for those who said that they can do it. Look at your life, look at mine, look how I pursue it. I did it for the TV, I did it for the magazines. They just didn't read their history on me. But the real stories are that I done already spoken. You just in the yard trying to record a fight, provoking. Acting like you gon' get a couple of hits of views. This ain't World Star, this is CT News. You could do it for those who said that they was your best friend. Okay, the real chalk is I only got 4 friends, and I can count them shits again and again and again. This is here my race, I'ma always win. I'm inspired. You my man, you keep it positive. Big man, I seen him grow up where the projects is. And Broadway Dollar, I seen him too. Hip hop was always in him. Trust me, it's true. I can speak for the logic, they ain't know. And my man, I ain't even know that was Little Bro until he told me that was him from back then. I remember when he was yay tall, somewhere around 10. Okay, the truth only speaks to the truth where it lies. It's only Monday, but this is where I lie. I only speak the truth cause I'm here living proof. And Mr. Point Guard, he always gives me the truth. But he gotta be on the low, and I'ma kill that. If he talks that in my email, yo, I'ma kill that. Guarantee the first track will come out next week. I don't swear to God, the boy gon' keep it on fleek. I'm a problem, I'm issue with it. They didn't understand anything I said until I was issued you with it. I had to get that permit, cause it's crazy. My city full of niggas adapt you, but they shade. Understand me, I speak it for the truth. Big Sean, that's my security, he's in the booth. Everywhere I go, everywhere I flow, they gotta understand, I've been doing this, I got flow. Let me get out of here, man. Shout out to the band, shout out to Russian Lady. I'm your boy, Mr. CT, Team Fat Joe, Team NLY. Let's do this, CT, let's work. Shout out to all the artists, shout out to my boy Jay. Y'all can find me on any search engine, just type in The Real Mr. CT. I never wrote a rap in my life. If you know me, if you know my history, fucking Google me, just Google me, man. Slim Goody was the first name, G-O-O-D-D-Y. I swear to God, man, I live and I eat this music shit, man. I never wrote a rap in my life. I love music, it's my gift, hip hop. I salute all y'all, man. Let's go.